Ah, yes, the nice C7 Corvette Stingray. Ready to go run. Sliding tire now. I'm ready to run. So I guess I'll put it down on the ground. How about that? It's wide enough. You can get some view. Careful with the camera. Okay, I'm gonna be back here. You. Yeah, leave it alone. Can you? It's kind of hard for me to video. So, can you hold the camera? Wait, let me just a second, fans. Hold it like this. No, don't touch any buttons, okay? Just video my car in the window.
Turn there. Oh, be careful there.
I wasn't watching my car.
That sometimes happens when you're not watching. That sometimes happens when you're not watching.
I gotta check this tire. Look how bad these things are.
You can't really see the video today because it's a little sunny and cold.
This is RC drifting. This is my RC drifting. It's called the best cookies.
And usually cookies is called out on, but he calls it a funny way. That wasn't funny. I don't know. Mama, tell me when I stop going back. Tell me to stop when I'm going back.
Keep video my car. Oh, now I'm getting too hot. That's crazy.
Peter, say right here, Bubba. Right here, Bubba. Peter, say.
You can see a lot of tape right there coming out. Off these back tires.
Let's get a close look at that. Right there.
Careful, Cuddy. Oops, sorry. Can I see something? It's on record still.
How many even minutes to go?
No, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch the screen. Oh, I'm sorry, fans, but I have to stop it right there because looks like my battery's dead. Here, let me take the camera. Can you hold this? Just take that. Put it inside, will you? So that's a wrap. I'm sorry, I only was able to do a 4-minute and 35-minute video. I will have this car in another video in the garage this time, and I will be drifting better than what I am now.
If you do it.
So it's gonna be okay. I hope I can get some more Scotch tape. I did need to find that quick for my car. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.
Bye.
From RC Sparks.
Bye.
I mean, RC Sparks. What am I? RC Previews. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.